Mr. Mansali is one of the finest filmmakers our country's ever seen or will ever have. He himself is an institution where you learn so much, and it's such an enriching experience that even a lifetime is less for it. I feel a lot of gratitude for being able to be a part of such a big project where Ramayan is the quintessential story of our culture. I think I gave it out too soon. But yeah, we're working on a project together, and I'm designing some costumes for one of his horror thriller.
So, if you're not living under a rock, then you might have heard about Sanjay Leela Bhansali's period drama series Hira Mandi. While the series had a captivating storyline, one thing that the audience couldn't take their eyes off were the stunning costumes that added to the charm. The designer duo designed over 300 outfits in the span of 2 years and have recently been awarded by Filmfare and the Indian Television Academy for their incredible work in Hira Mandi. Rimple and Harpreet have surely made a mark when it comes to bringing the old world charm through their opulent outfits. Today we have one half of this incredible brand with us, Rimple Nirula. Welcome to Good Times, Rimple.
Thank you so much, Charu, and all this kind words which you've said for us. We are really thankful. Thank you so much.
How are you feeling? I mean, now you guys known as the Hira Mandi designers, and after you've been getting one award after the other, you've made a mark for sure. So, how are you feeling right now?
Uh, I just feel that there's a lot of responsibility which has come with these awards because the expectations have really gone high. Even with my clients, like who meet me in the store, I think suddenly that twinkle in their eyes says it all. That like we have high hope and expectations from us. So I think the responsibilities become greater, and now we have to work harder.
So the last time I met you, I remember you were wearing this beautiful trench coat made of upholstery fabric. So I have to ask you, what are you wearing right now?
Really remember that trench coat? Oh my God!
How can
I
I not?
in winters I really wear a lot of these boyfriend jackets and trench coats, and this is also one which I'm wearing is from a very old textile sari we had in the factory. So I'm very frugal when it comes to spending money on my own clothes. So I probably like to just mix and match things at the factory and just make something nice out of it. And that's the responsibility of a designer, right?
Exactly. That's what
That's what
makes
we
you a creative genius,
expect.
right?
Yeah. So you caught me on this, and this is also one which I've made it from a old sari. So it's like upcycled, recycled, whatever you want to call it.
That looks stunning. So now that you've worked on multiple projects with Mr. Bhansali, earlier it was Padmavat, now it's Hira Mandi, and you're also in talks for Hira Mandi. Is it different working with Mr. Bhansali, the visionary, than working with other directors?
See, to say the least, but say it all, Mr. Mansali is one of the finest filmmakers our country's ever seen or will ever have. With the vision Mr. Bansali has for his movies, I mean, the costumes are also like very, very important. Not only the look and feel of the larger than life movie sets, costume play a very essential role in his movies. Where you've seen he's always hired country's best talent to do the costumes. He doesn't depend on what is available, but he likes to take the leap of faith in various designers, and we've been very fortunate to be working with him in this second time around after Padmavat for Hira Mandi. Uh, he is a visionary, and working with him, I would say you evolve so much and you learn yourself so much, not only about cinema, but various other aspects of life. The passion he has for films is actually known to all. And I would rather say he himself is an institution where you learn so much, and it's such an enriching experience that even a lifetime is less for it.
Okay, so coming to it, now that you guys are known as the Hira Mandi designers, and it has actually put you guys up on a pedestal. But one thing, I remember walking into your store and looking at the bridal collection, which made me feel like I want to be a Rimple and Harpreet bride whenever I get married. And you have so much more to offer. There's like a bridal collection going on, there's menswear, and if I'm not wrong, you recently launched a jewelry line as well. So, how
We
do you
did.
want the audience to look at your brand apart from being the costume designers?
I feel after continuously working with Mr. Bansali for 2 films and being a part of his own whimsical world. Now we want to create a raw experience, which is also like a dream world, a whimsical world where as a young bride or as a woman, you just walk in and you have everything what you feel will make you look absolutely drenched in culture and history, whether it's jewelry, whether it is something to do with your saris or a lehenga if you're a bride to be, or it's a simple anarkali suit or a straight suit or a very Punjabi style, which where we are from Punjab, so we offer a lot of suits which reflect a very undivided Punjab culture in them, with salwars, ponchas embroidered, short shirts. This a lot of them we offer to the young crowd to wear and own their own culture. We not only want to present all this, but also dive into more like Indo-Western stuff where a lot of textiles are used. Like you commented, complimented my jacket. We want to offer young girls to wear these kind of timeless clothing where they can actually bring in a lot of textile to their day-to-day dressing. And I would say not really like, but yeah, I would like to say ditch all the polyester and the synthetic fabrics and go back to the organic fabrics which India has to offer.
So bringing traditions to the modern Indian generation is what you're aiming at.
Yeah, that's what I think a responsible designer should look at.
So, coming back to the cinematic world, you have also been in talks for Ranbir Kapoor and Sai Pallavi Ramayana. So, without giving out much, can you tell us, like, how is it working on a project whose storyline is based like thousands of years ago?
First of all, I like to actually thank Mr. Bansali to bring us to this world where people have started recognizing and putting us or holding us responsible to be able to deliver something which is so sensitive and so period. So I'm sure Namit from Prime Focus and Mr. Nitesh Tiwari, who's the director of this film, has seen some seriousness and research-based work in our body of work, where he asked us to join hands with him for Ramayan. I feel greatly indebted to, I mean, I feel a lot of gratitude for being able to be a part of such a big project where Ramayan is the quintessential story. So I'm trying to give my best, and I'm totally drenched in research, in history, and trying to bring out my best in this movie.
When it comes to, period dramas and they say who's going to design the costume, I think everybody thinks of Rimple and Harpreet now in today's day and age. So yeah, we cannot wait to see what's coming next. So your Instagram tells me that now you're working with Priyadarshan sir for his next project. So little
He just
insight
gave it
into
up.
what's
I
coming
was
up.
too excited. So I went to Chennai just day before yesterday, and I got very excited meeting him because 15 years back when Bhool Bhulaiya and all came, we've all watched the Bhool Bhulaiya series, and the first one, I mean, was through him, and I just couldn't hold myself to just take a picture with him and post it. I think I gave it out too soon. But yeah, we're working on a project together, and I'm designing some costumes for one of his horror thriller. Yes.
It's a
I'm
different
like, I'm glad.
genre altogether for you guys, I feel.
Yeah, well, as designers, you have to keep reinventing yourself. Otherwise, the audience is going to get bored, right?
I'm saying anytime soon, but coming to that, how does a costume communicate a character's emotion onto the screen? Like, is there a connect how the costume is reflection of a character's emotion in a particular scene?
Well, Charu, I mean, I always feel that costumes take the narration forward. I feel if you are watching a multilingual film, or even if you're watching a screen where it's on mute and you don't hear the sound, from the costumes you do make out the geographical area, the Provence, the period the film is talking about. So I feel costumes hold a very pivotal and responsible part in a film. I feel costume play a very important role when it comes to a period drama or even a day-to-day depiction of anything, whether it is a normal OTT movie or a big cinema. costume play a very, very important role. And to get that right and get the nuances right of the character, I think you have to really study and give the exact outfit where it belongs.
So now that we are stepping into the new year, what is one thing that the audience can expect from the label Rumple and Harpreet? Like, what's new? What's coming next?
Lot of good work is happening. Like I said, like as designers, we keep reinventing ourselves. We evolve as a brand. We are trying to do a lot of should I just give it out? I don't know. Okay, but I am also trying to do a little bit of a mix of where the Western world can also adorn our clothes, because one thing which I'm getting again and again is the world wants to wear Rimple and Harpreet, but Rimple and Harpreet is very limited to very Indian craftsmanship and very Indian silhouettes. So holding on to my Indian craftsmanship and my Indian embroideries, I think I'm ready to present the world a new range of clothes, which is going to be like the Ra tribe, where a lot of Western silhouettes will be incorporated.
So it's going to be Rumple and Harpreet on this global stage in 2025.
Think that's what the world wants. And like with technology and everything, we're all becoming a part of one global world, global citizens. So it's very essential for us to actually get into that bandwagon now.
Wait for that. And thank you so much. It was so lovely chatting with you. And again, I love your jacket and especially the pieces you wear out of everything. So thank
So
you.
probably that's going to be an extension to our brand. We'll just call it Rimple Exclusive or whatever.
I would love to wear one. Thank
Surely, I know now. You're my first line then.
you so much. Thanks,
Thank
Dan,
you,
for
Rahul.
chatting with
Thank you. Thank you. Good times. Bye bye.